ArtistRebeccaLS, the channel that inspires you every day. Subscribe or I'll throw paint at you. Support my channel even more by liking the videos, subscribing, watch a playlist or two, and don't forget to comment. So today I'm having a go with stencils. I've made my own template kind of stencil, and it's a bit of an abstract piece today. So I'm painting the background using the Arteza gouache, and you can see the stencil there is a bit like a face. And I dotted the gouache and spread it out. This is what it looks like now it's finished. A kind of abstract-y facial figure in the night sky. But it's my first time using a template or a stencil. It also reminds me of a melting planet. Click the 2 videos on screen now, and when you do, you're going to get even more inspiration.